Hey y'all, Shaniahdeshay back again with another video. We feeling good, we feeling great. So today's video, this is the Dollar Tree challenge, the whole face in oil. So we're gonna get into it, not gonna say too much, just y'all see what it is and you see what it ain't. But we'll talk about it more and you'll see in the tutorial. Please enjoy the videos and the shenanigans again today. All right, let's go, let's get it, let's move. And go to Dollar Tree and get some makeup for you. Have black women makeup, okay? I'm not beige, I'm not whatever you want. Natural to them is it ain't black, all right? It ain't brown. Anyway, so what I found was some cute little wipes that I'm gonna use first. This wipe on my face. Charcoal facial wipes, and it's detoxifying. It drives out dirt and oil. So I mean, I pretty much did my hair or whatever. But I mean, I went throughout the day, so we just gonna apply that first. And it feels so good on the skin. We'll come out the B. We're just gonna, you know, we prepping the skin or whatever. And all that good stuff. Feeling good, feeling great. Yes, y'all. It smells good, it feels good. And you can get 30 wipes for $1. So already, I am hooked and sold on that one. Okay. Since I couldn't find any foundation, I found their little face primer. It says clear, so we about to see what it comes out to be. Okay, well it ain't clear, it's white. But whatever, child, we're gonna put it on the face. I don't know if that's too much.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Y'all. It's not rubbing in, y'all. This is my primer. I'm gonna do my face routine and then I'll get back to you guys with the other products that I got. So I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the LA Color eyeliner and brow pencil. So this is their bonus pack. Okay, I guess we will do. Okay, well see, I already have this is the brow, so the other one has to be the liner. No, this one for the brow. And it does come with a sharpener, so cool beans. First, I'm gonna brush my brows up and over. And the color it said was black brown, so I'm hoping that it is like black brown, just, you know, not too dark or whatever, like, or too light or just reddish brown. We need black brown like they said. So let's see what this gives us. Okay, it's giving black brown, guys. Not bad on the pencil so far, but it's just me, you know, carving out the brows. It's probably more on the black side. I'm gonna have to make it a little bit lighter, you know, when I brush them, but the package said black brown, and it's very much just giving me black brows. So they should have just kept it as black. The pencils they had was either black or black brown. So I was hoping, you know, black brown would mean just like dark brown. But I mean, pretty much in short, it means black. So I'm gonna clean them up still, but not really a fan of, you know, my hair is red, so I don't want black eyebrows, but keep it going, whatever. Okay, as y'all see, these are the brows. We're moving on to the next thing, which is the eyeshadow. What I found for eyeshadow was this LA Girl Again pack. It's the 3-color pack, so I'm just gonna use this. And I did end up getting some glitter shadow, so I'll show you guys with that, because we'll probably just end up putting that on top of this neutral plain Jane shadow. So I'm okay with the brows. It's just like my hair is not dark. So black brows will never be a thing anyway. Our hair is not black. Okay, it's brown. It's dark brown. It's not black. On to the shenanigans. We're on to the shadow. So first, I'm going to use the middle. I'm going to use this color as my neutral shadow. Put it right underneath my brow bone. Golly, 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 golly. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you see it, but it's maybe a little light. Maybe it's too neutral of what I'm trying to go for. We're gonna use it. Don't really know if you really seen what it did, if it really did much. I don't know. So I'm gonna use this next color and I'm gonna put it closer to my crease and on the outside corner. So I'm just gonna pat that down. You guys, it's really not really showing much, and maybe just because I'm darker. I was hoping it was gonna show a little something. Y'all, it looks like I really didn't do anything to my eyes. So I'm just like kind of, I'm not gonna say I'm disappointed, because what do you expect from Dollar Tree? I mean, really. Honestly and truly, what do you expect from Dollar Tree? So I'm gonna use this. This came with this. It came right here. Place right here. And I'm gonna use the lightest shade right here. This last color in the set. Yeah, I can wipe this excess powder off underneath my eye, because there ain't no shadow coming down, okay, baby? There's none coming down here. Moving it around, yada, yada, yada. This is probably the only color you're gonna see, really, honestly. And we're gonna put this on top of the lid. It's giving me, I don't know what it's giving me, honestly. But it ain't really giving me much. It's kind of like a chrome color, maybe like whitish pink. I mean, we're gonna make these eyes look like, you know, they definitely look like something. Yep. And I'm just going back in with the crease color and just kind of pushing this back on in on the outer corners of the eye. Yep. I was saying, I found this also, this liquid shadow, and we're just gonna put that on top. Oh my gosh, it's gray. I couldn't find no other color, so I'm just gonna put it on top of the lid. It's just metallic and gray metallic shadow. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what I'm really going for this look. It was coming out like something, and then like this is, I was just trying to see like what it's really talking about, but oh, it's getting hard and cracky and ew. I'm gonna just go back over, well, like I said, the crease. I didn't add any extra. I'm just kind of like going back over it. Cause now this gonna become like a gray cut crease something look. Again, LA Colors loose powder. And I was like, well, if I'm gonna do this gray shadow, I might as well, you know. We're gonna put this gray, this loose powder shimmer stuff on top of it. Oh, it comes with a little brush. Y'all, look at this. I was finna say, like, where's the glitter? But, oh, Lord help us all. It's supposed to be shimmering loose eyeshadow with brush. We're just gonna put some on top. I'm just going back over to give it some type of shine. You gotta keep putting the Loose glitter in the freaking thing. I'm trying to figure out how I'm supposed to do this. This ain't coming out good. But the world, I'm a walking erection. I feel like I can see my eyelid. My brown eyelid. This is their blush, Sun Kiss. This is terrible. Terrible. Highly not recommended. Guys, Sun Kiss. Oh, Lord have mercy. Y'all, this is really not blush. I really want to cry at my face right now. Like, this is bronzer glow, but like, do I even want to put on bronzer with... I don't need bronzer. I'm so sick of LA colors right now. I don't even want to look at an LA color. This is the off-brand of LA Girl. This is the Dollar Store LA Girl Pro. On the nose. Whoa, whoa. Where my highlight would be. Over the blush. I put a little bit on my chin. Oh my gosh, it's too much. This is their mascara. I had a nice beat face before this and you couldn't even tell. Okay, this is the mascara. This is the lip gloss. This is not probably even lip gloss, it's lip oil. And my lips are already kind of glossy. Heavy on the scent. I'm gonna put my lashes on off camera and I'll be back with you guys. But this is pretty much the finished look. And as y'all can see, I really don't like it. But whatever, we're gonna finish it. I'll be back in like 5 seconds, okay? Alright y'all, so this is the final look. As you can see, I am glistening from head to toe. The only reason why this look probably even looks semi-decent is because I put on the shade Mink. So my lashes, of course, so go click the link in the bio. Don't have a link in the bio yet, so don't even quote me on that. Just click my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, @MadeByShy. Request Diva Stacks, because these are the ones that I'm wearing to get this lash. And I absolutely hate it. I hate this look, okay? LA Girl just trash all the products because it was a goddamn waste of time. The liquid shadow was booty. And I say booty because every time I applied it and spread it, yeah, no, I kept seeing my actual eyelid. To the bronzer, can't really remember the name, but I do like the bronzer. The blush is too shiny. Like, the blush was a highlighter, or as you say, another bronzer, I guess, at this point. My brows were pretty much ultimately black. The lip gloss is probably you should just put on to prep on your lips before you do anything. This is cute and subtle, okay? The gloss is cool, but you have to put on the lip oil, not even gloss. It's probably just good to have some oil, lip oil on your lips. And you have to put a couple of coats on just for it to look like a kind of glossy look. So yeah, and then I added some of the bronzer on my chin, but overall I feel like I'm just looking a little ashy. You have to see, you know, what I look like editing wise. And also, like I said at the beginning, y'all see me, I had the face primer. It wasn't clear, it was white. So my skin was not black, okay? It was not. But that's just my take on the video. Hope you guys really liked and enjoyed my shenanigans on messing with Dollar Tree in this tutorial. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace and blessings to you guys. Mwah. And we'll see you next time.